Imagine being able to communicate with a machine like you would with a human. Imagine being able to generate human-like text, stories, and even code, in just seconds. Introducing ChatGPT, the AI-powered language model that's taking the world by storm. This powerful model has been trained on a massive dataset of internet text, allowing it to generate highly coherent and fluent responses to a wide range of topics. One of the most striking features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand the context of a conversation and respond in a way that is appropriate and relevant. This makes it an ideal tool for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other applications that require natural language understanding and generation. One of the main applications of ChatGPT is in the field of customer service. With its ability to understand and respond to customer inquiries, ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can handle a wide range of customer service tasks, including answering FAQs, providing product information, and even handling complaints and escalations. Another application of ChatGPT is in the field of content creation. With its ability to generate highly coherent and fluent text, ChatGPT can be used to automatically generate articles, blog posts, and other types of content, saving time and effort for content creators and enabling them to focus on more important tasks. ChatGPT can also be used for personalization and recommendations. With its ability to understand and respond to user preferences and interests, ChatGPT can be used to create personalized recommendations for products and services, leading to better customer engagement and higher conversion rates. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile AI language model that has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries and applications. With its ability to understand and respond to natural language inputs, ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots, virtual assistants, and other applications that require natural language understanding and generation. Whether it's customer service, content creation, or personalization and recommendations, ChatGPT has the potential to make a big impact in the world of AI. ChatGPT is just one example of the amazing advancements in AI and natural language processing, and it's humbling to think of the endless possibilities this technology holds for the future.